In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start from scratch in Surveymonkey. First, head to the Surveymonkey homepage. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the right-hand side. That's where the main action buttons live, and the one you want is Create Survey. Go ahead and click that to begin a brand new project. Next, choose Start from Scratch. This tells Surveymonkey you want full control and aren't using a template. It's perfect when you already know your goal and want to tailor every question and setting. You'll be asked to enter your survey name. Pick something clear and descriptive so it's easy to find later, especially if you'll have multiple versions or share access with teammates. A good name reflects the audience and purpose, like customer feedback, spring launch. When you're happy with it, click Save to lock in the project. Now it's time to add your first question. You'll see an empty question block ready to edit. Click into it and type your question. Keep it concise and specific, and avoid combining two ideas into one sentence. If you catch yourself using "and," you might want to split it into separate questions to keep responses clean. After typing your question, choose the question type. Surveymonkey offers common options like multiple choice, rating scales, and open-ended text. Select the format that best fits how you plan to analyze the results. For example, multiple choice makes for quick charts, while open-ended captures richer feedback. You can also tweak settings like required responses and choice randomization to reduce bias. Continue building your survey by adding more questions. Use the Add Question button to keep going. Group similar topics together to make the flow feel natural, moving from broad questions to more specific ones. This helps respondents stay engaged and complete the survey. When the core content is in place, customize the survey. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand or audience, adjust fonts and colors for readability, and review settings such as progress bars and navigation buttons. Small design touches can improve completion rates and make your survey feel more trustworthy. Before you share it, preview your survey. Walk through it as if you're a respondent, checking clarity, spacing, and any required fields. If something feels confusing or too long, this is the moment to refine. Finally, send the survey. Use the share options to generate a link or distribute it through your preferred channels. Once it's out, you're ready to start collecting insights. And that's how to start from scratch in Surveymonkey. Clear, quick, and fully tailored to your needs.